In the misty mountains lived a tiny dragon named Doodle, who had a big problem. He couldn't stop sneezing fire. Fire, achoo. Poof. A tree toasted, achoo. Sizzle. A rock melted. The villagers were scared, so Doodle hid in a cave, all alone. One cold night, the village's fire went out. Everyone shivered. No one could relight it. Suddenly, a warm flame flew through the sky and lit every chimney. The villagers cheered, "Doodle saved us." From that day on, Doodle wasn't scary anymore. He became the village's official fire starter, with a tissue in his paw, just in case.